Yeah man, welcome to another episode of Inna the Kitchen with Chef Patrick Simpson. One big man, everything.
Yo, everything is turn up man. We're Inna the Kitchen tonight.
Yeah.
And you know what perform tonight? Freddie Mcgregor himself, son.
That me not get too overstand, you know. So you don't know I got the big ship in the house?
Big ship across the ocean.
Without a
Don't
doubt.
get it twisted, man. A curry shrimp we're
Keep it
gonna
locked.
eat tonight, you know. And we're serving with some mango salad Inna the Kitchen.
Inna the Kitchen.
Freddie Mcgregor, I do sound check right now, so I'm gonna do something real simple, real easy. Right now, I have my oil already nice and hot. Vegetable oil, keep it nice and hot. I go for my red pepper, go for my onion, my red pepper, and my green pepper. You don't know what we do already in the kitchen. Alright? And then right after that, I drop my curry powder. I want to get my nice curry flavor out. Get them nice. Go some thyme. Put some thyme in, some fresh thyme. You can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with your fresh thyme. And you know, inside of the kitchen, one of the things about inside of the kitchen, so we'll show you the real tricks as to what goes on inside the kitchen when you're super busy. We gotta have things set up a little bit different from when you're cooking at home, because we're executing food in a fast way of how we do it inside the kitchen. So you know, if you're the inner the kitchen, I'm here to show you what me do inside of my kitchen here at BB King's when we put stuff together real fast. Because tonight, it's gonna be so busy tonight. We're gonna do the curry shrimp, real easy, real fast. Some more fresh garlic inside, nice. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. And then we have a draw from a shrimp now, which we already have the shrimp already pre-cooked. We have the shrimp already pre-cooked, because inside of the kitchen, one of the big difference with what goes on here and what goes on in a regular kitchen, we have to make things fast and make things easy, because we turn out numbers here. We turn out numbers. We do over 700 covers a night. 700 covers a night. Some fresh lemon. That's what I'm talking about. Some nice fresh lemon. That's it. Simple as that. Simple as that. Get me some of my onion flavor. Look at that. This is my caramelized onion right here, so. And then we'll turn around and we'll serve this real simple, real easy. And we're going to serve this with some jasmine rice. And after some jasmine rice, some mango salad. And it's going to look so good and it tastes so good. And it's simple and fast.
I have the pleasure of standing next to Mr. Big Ship. Yeah, man. Frank, yeah, man. Come chat to the man. Hello, how you doing, sir?
We're good and give thanks, man.
True, man. Nice. And I'm happy to be here tonight. What type of vibes tonight do people might expect tonight?
Nelson Mandela.
And Nelson Mandela vibes.
See there? Yeah, we'll come that way there. It's just a positive and a niceness.
Yeah.
Because, you know, my music span everything from love to culture. Yeah. You know, just make everybody happy. And we're happy to be here tonight. It's been a while since we played BB Kings. And it's nice that we're here tonight with a full crew, a Big Ship crew.
Sure.
So we get a chance to just work and do some songs that we probably haven't done in a while because we have the time tonight.
Yeah.
It's not one of them shows that we were for really a run off a stage. So we'll be doing a wonderful set tonight. And we're looking forward to it. The band excited, everybody. We're nice.
Yeah. You're here to see Freddie tonight, definitely.
Most definitely, you know, keeping the culture alive, as always.
So who did they take with you tonight?
I took my mom, actually. Happy birthday, mommy.
Mommy, happy birthday. What's your mommy name?
Jennifer.
Mommy Jennifer, big up yourself. All right, and happy birthday. Freddie Mcgregor, you can't watch it a bit.
Nice and pretty. Nice and simple, easy and fast. I'm gonna go right over to my presentation right now. Plate them up real good. So you can see all we do right here. So that's how we do it in the kitchen. That's how we do it in the kitchen. Mini chicken and waffle, cheese plate. Mini chicken and waffle, cheese plate, appetizer. Listen, that's so we do it in the kitchen. Don't get it twisted. It's turn up. Freddie Mcgregor in the building tonight. BB King in the kitchen. Keep it locked.
With the shows like this, we like it because it's up close and personal, and they get a chance to relate to the people up close. So, but it's nice. Whether near or far, same vibe Freddie giving them. Stay true to my roots and just do what I'm the best.
True, man.
All of you people, freedom is a must I know. No matter how you fuss and go, because I read these things and prophecy.
Or the farmer go on and thing.
Yeah.
The farm, like a bit
Well, you know, so I tell you something. I was in Florida until day before yesterday.
Yeah.
So I went to Jamaica on the first flight yesterday morning.
Yeah.
And as soon as I got home and left my suitcase at the door,
Yeah.
headed straight to the
Right
farm.
to the street there.
Because you know, so I plant 3,000 root of sorrel.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful feeling go back and so I tell you,
Yeah,
the joy and
the
happiness
joy.
of a feel, yes. And
Yeah.
plant 3,500 roots of papaya.
Nice.
And those are coming nice. Those are about
Nice,
3
yeah,
feet
yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
And I have a nice patch Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
We plant tomatoes. We have a whoop of melon, pumpkin,
Enough
and
things
cantaloupe.
about it. Yeah.
We have a whoop of pineapple we plant, and we have sugar cane, and the banana them a bear non-stop and planting.
Tell you what,
So the thing I go nice on the horses.
Yeah.
Them I go and find because we breed horses,
True.
race them, we
Yeah.
sell them, we into that
Yeah.
business as well.
Alright.
Talk about taking the blame. I went to slum again.